Heartily welcome to all to the new YouTube channel GKAG. Question number 1. Who was the first person to land on the moon? Answer Neil Armstrong. Next question. Which is known as blue gold? Answer water. Question number 3. Who invented the computer? Answer Charles Babbage. Next. Which is the world's largest flower? Answer Rafflesia. Which was the first animal to go to space? Answer Leica. Which is the first metro in the world? Answer London. Question number 7. Where built the first railway system in the world? Answer England. Who were the first invented a solar color calendar? Answer Egyptians. Which culture invented writing? Answer Sumerians. In which country did block printing originate? Answer China. Which country did the Industrial Revolution start? Answer Britain. When was the world's first radio message made? Answer 13 May 1897. Which country first invented gunpowder? Answer China. Which country first invented cannon? Answer China. Who is known as the father of modern policing? Answer Sir Robert Peel. Where is the first fingerprint bureau established? Answer Calcutta. Which country developed the metric system? Answer France. Question number 18. Which country invented pottery? Answer China. Which country is first in silk production? Answer China. Next. Which is the first country to use postage stamps? Answer United Kingdom. Which is the first stamp in the world? Answer Penny Black. Who is the father of postage stamp? Answer Rowland Hill. World's first scheduled airmail post service took place in which country? Answer United Kingdom. Who was the father of Green Revolution in the world? Answer Norman Borlaug. Question number 25. Which is the first country to start civil service competitions? Answer China. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share and also enable bell icon. See you soon.